What happens when you eat garlic every day? Should you be eating garlic daily, and what are its benefits and potential risks? Is it true that garlic can lower your blood pressure and prevent cholesterol from building up in your arteries? What's the best way to prepare garlic to activate its properties and retain its nutritional benefits? And how many cloves should you be eating daily? In this video, I'm going to discuss the incredible benefits of garlic, a superfood that's much more than just a seasoning. Over 5,000 years ago, the Egyptians, Indians, and Chinese were already aware of garlic's medicinal properties and used it frequently. Today, I'll share 10 benefits that eating garlic every day can bring to your health. And stay tuned until the end for a crucial tip on how to prepare it correctly to ensure you get the most out of it. Before we dive in, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget to share this valuable information with your friends and family. When it comes to health, sharing is caring. 10 benefits of eating garlic daily proven by science. Let's start. Why is garlic considered a superfood and a key part of a healthy diet? Ancient cultures used garlic as medicine. Hippocrates, the father of Western medicine, said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Garlic was prescribed for various ailments, from diarrhea to asthma. Nowadays, we overlook its healing powers because we have medications for everything. Garlic has become more of a flavor enhancer for dishes. But science is confirming what ancient civilizations already knew. Garlic is rich in nutrients like manganese, selenium, vitamin C, and B6, and it's low in calories. Most importantly, it contains bioactive compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. The key compound in garlic is allicin, a sulfur-based compound responsible for garlic's strong smell. Allicin is formed when you crush, chop, or chew garlic, activating an enzyme called alliinase, which converts alliin, a compound within the garlic, into allicin. However, cooking garlic at high temperatures can destroy allicin, reducing its health benefits. Here are the 10 benefits of eating garlic daily. 1. Detoxifies the body. Garlic's sulfur compounds, including allicin, help protect organs from heavy metal toxicity. A study involving factory workers exposed to lead found that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by nearly 20% and also alleviated symptoms like headaches and nausea. However, prevention is better than cure, so avoid heavy metal exposure whenever possible. 2. Reduces inflammation. Garlic can help combat inflammation by inhibiting proteins that cause it. Studies have shown that garlic can reduce markers of inflammation, like C-reactive protein. In women with rheumatoid arthritis, garlic supplements helped reduce joint pain, fatigue, and inflammatory markers after 8 weeks. Another study with twins indicated that those who ate more garlic and vegetables had less hip osteoarthritis than their siblings. 3. Boosts immunity. Garlic is well known for enhancing the immune system, helping to prevent colds and the flu. Studies suggest that garlic can reduce both the risk of catching a cold and the severity and duration of symptoms. For example, one study showed that those who took garlic supplements had 63% fewer colds, and their symptoms lasted only 1.5 days compared to 5 days for the placebo group. Although the studies are small, garlic's antiviral and antibacterial effects are well documented. 4. Improves skin health. The antibacterial and antioxidant properties of garlic can help combat acne. Allicin also protects the skin from UV damage and helps reduce wrinkles. The antioxidants in garlic neutralize free radicals, which are responsible for oxidative damage that accelerates aging. 5. Supports brain health. Garlic's antioxidant content can help protect against brain diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Although no cure has been found, studies in animals and test tubes suggest that aged garlic extract may positively affect neurotransmitters linked to Alzheimer's. 6. Lowers cholesterol. Garlic may reduce cholesterol production in the liver, lowering bad LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol by 10 to 15%. However, it doesn't have a significant effect on good HDL cholesterol. 7. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic stimulates the production of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels, helping to lower blood pressure. While it's not a miracle cure, studies have shown that garlic can reduce systolic blood pressure by about 4 millimeters of mercury and diastolic pressure by 3 millimeters of mercury. Not a substitute for medication, but helpful as part of a healthy lifestyle. 8. May help prevent cancer. Garlic has shown anti-cancer properties in lab studies. Although human research is still needed, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, as well as its selenium content, contribute to these effects. One study found that women who ate garlic regularly had a 35% lower risk of developing colorectal cancer. Additionally, garlic consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of lung and stomach cancers. 9. Reduces risk of blood clots. Garlic can decrease platelet stickiness and has anti-aggregating properties, helping to reduce the risk of blood clots. This may lower the chances of heart attacks and strokes. However, a healthy lifestyle is still key, and garlic should complement other heart-healthy habits. 10. Helps control weight. Garlic contains inulin, a prebiotic that promotes the growth of good gut bacteria. Studies in animals have shown that garlic can mitigate the negative effects of a high-fat diet on gut flora. There's also evidence linking garlic to fat burning. Some studies suggest that garlic may activate brown fat, helping to prevent obesity and metabolic disorders. How much garlic should you eat daily? Most studies suggest that 1 to 2 cloves per day are enough to experience these benefits. But what about the risks? Possible risks of garlic. Garlic can cause bad breath and body odor, which might discourage some from eating it. Interestingly, a study in the journal Appetite found that men who ate garlic had more attractive body odor to women than those who didn't. So that's a plus. However, garlic can cause acid reflux and irritation for some people, especially when eaten raw. If that's the case, consider switching to cooked garlic. Lastly, garlic may increase the risk of bleeding, especially for those taking blood thinners or supplements like fish oil or aspirin. So use caution. How to maximize garlic's health benefits. The best way to get the most out of garlic is to eat it raw. Cooking can destroy allicin, so crush, chop, or mince garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before using it. This waiting period allows allicin to fully form. When cooking dishes like beans or soups, add the garlic toward the end to preserve its benefits. Now that you know all about garlic's benefits, remember to share this video with others. Let food be your medicine. As Hippocrates wisely said,